friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Norina Kawal. If you are totally brand new in my channel, let me introduce myself. I'm an affiliate marketer. So what is mean of affiliate marketer? It's mean to promote other people's stuff and get commission. So in this channel, I will help you how you can make your online business, how you can make passive income, and how you can make some extra income like side hustle. If you have 1 to 2 spare hour, just watch my video and follow me step by step. I will explain you how you can make your online business. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to take the training. There is 15 days training, right? And they will teach you everything about how the system is work. So first of all, you need to take training, right? And second step, you need to apply the affiliate link, right? So when you apply the affiliate link, you just need to get promote into your social media account. So briefly again, I explain you step by step how you can start. If you are totally brand new, I will explain you, no worry, I will catch you. So first of all, if you are on my TikTok, Insta, Facebook, wherever, if you are on my YouTube channel, so how to take the 15 days challenge? First of all, I will show you my Facebook profile. If you are from my Facebook, you just need to click this link, right? So you will see this page. You need to put your first name and email, right? And yes, I want instant access, right? So this is Facebook. And if you are on my Instagram, so you need to go check my profile. And here we go. This is my link, right? So first step is you need to take the training. After training, you need to apply the affiliate link and promote into your social media. So the third is my TikTok, and this is my free organic graphic. So I love this TikTok. I start with 0 follower, and within 3 months you can see I have 8,385 followers. Just giving the values every day. I post 1 to 2 video every day, and you can see my results. So you just need to click on this button, right? So here you can see this page will be open. So I show you on my Insta, Facebook and TikTok. And if you are on my YouTube channel, so I will just explain you how you can reach me out and how you can start your 15 days training. So in YouTube, what you can do, you can take any of my video, right? So what you need to do, in every video I say see the description below. So what you need to do, you need to click on 15 days challenge. For 15 days training, they will charge you $7, and they will teach you everything, right? So if you worry about what is inside the 15 days, so I make the 15 days video as well and explain everything what is inside the 15 days. So once again, when you click this link, then this page will be open. You need to put your name and email. When you put your name and email, I will show you example. I'm just giving you example. So here, yes, I want to instant access. You can see. So you will see my short video. So what did I learn and what did I earn in 3 months, right? So as you know, if you are regular, follow me, you can see my Facebook wall, you can see my TikTok. I regularly post my incomes, how much I get every day, right? So this is about me, where did I live. So this is about my story. And once you, yes, show me the video, right? You will see this video. This is challenge enrollment page. Here you need to watch this guy, what he said about the business builder challenge, right? So the timer will be on. You need to listen him carefully, and he will explain you what is affiliate marketing, right? And after get started now, you will see the payment page. You need to pay $7 for your 15 days training, right? So don't be worried, it is legal business and real business, and you will be earn lots of money. Just invest $7. But will you learn in 15 days? I can show you. You will be learn secret to starting and scaling a high ticket business. So once again, what is high ticket business? It's mean high price product you need to promote and get high price, right? So like 1,000, 4,000 in a day. It's single one sale you will get in $1,000, $2,000, $4,000, and $100 also. In second day, they will teach you core for high ticket business model. And third day, you can build your own business in 30 minutes, right? And fourth day, master in a game of wealth. And you can see in fifth day is a big day. Plan your business, right? You will talk to your business plan advisor. He will suggest you how you can start your own online business, right? So he will offer you some business blueprints. If you can buy easily, you can buy. This is your investment, right? So invest in your study. You are not investing in stock, you are not investing in Bitcoin, and this is these are very risky, right? Cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, so stock, these are very risky. So this is risk-free opportunity, right? You are investing in your learning, right? Learning is earning. So once you learn this system, how this system is work, and earn as much as you can. So the people who are doing full-time job with this business, they are earning 20,000, 30,000 in 1 month. Like every month they make passive income, regular income, so they are earning from home. So in the day 6 you can answer a question, and day 7 they will explain you when you need to quit your job, right? When your business is set up, is ready, you just need to quit your job and full time in this business and make money as much as you can. And day 8 you will learn high income skill and why you need to them, right? So as you know, technology is growing day by day, so they will explain you. In day 9 they will explain how you can generate your leads. It's mean how you get traffic in your different social media, Facebook, TikTok, Insta, so which platform you want, they will teach you. Day 10 is copywriting, and day 11 is sale and presenting. Day 12 and what, when and where to outstore. And you can see day 15 day is first sale and journey of your success, right? So this is the highlights of 15 days challenge. So what you need to do, you need to check this video. It's about 10 minutes, I believe, or 15 or short. Get started now, timer will be on. After watching the video, you need to pay, right, $7 in your study. You are not investing in Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, you are just investing in your study, learning high income skill, right? So this is 15 days challenge. Totally they will explain you everything for, and just you understand what he said, right? If you are getting confused, you need to take this lecture 1, 2, 3 times to what he said, right? So every day, if you have 1 hour, 2 hour, you just need to take the lecture, learn high income skill, right? So this is 15 days challenge. So once again, if you don't know about after 15 days challenge, once you take the challenge, so you can watch this video. I just show you in here. Um, on my YouTube channel, I explain what is 15 after taking the 15 days challenge, what you need to do. So manage video, let me see. So this is my 15 days challenge video, and here we go. Right, this is my 15 days challenge video, and in this video I explain what is 15 days challenge step by step and explain everything. If you are totally brand new, don't worry, they will teach you A to Z. So once again, invest in your study, not invest on other things like cryptocurrency, bitcoins or stock. They are all risky, right? So there is more chances to lose your money. There is no chance to lose money. This is just $7 and invest in your study, because you will be learn high income skill, right? So in this video I explain everything, right? So if you want to take the 15 days challenge, there is link, right? So the second thing is 3-day challenge. So what is 3-day challenge? So once again, when you click on 3-day challenge, you will see this page, right? If you don't enough time, so what you need to do, you need to take the 3-day challenge. And 3-day challenge, this is quickly setup of your online business. 3-day challenge and 15 days challenge, both are same, both price is $7, and they will help you and explain you how you can your passive income, how you can make your passive income. So hopefully I explain everything about my business and what I am doing. So once again, I start my online business before 4 months, right? So when I start my online business, I just learned 1 month, right, how the system is work. After learning, I start making my online business setup. So I make the software setup, different of software setup. I waste my lots of money. No one was there to suggest me this software is good, this is not good. So I just do it by myself, right? So I trust myself, I stay consistent. I did work 1 to 2 hours every day, that's it. So you can see my result regularly. I post on my social media how much I am earning. So I can explain you everything step by step if you are want to start your online business. So basically this business is affiliate marketing, promoting other people's stuff and get commission. You are not creating any product, you are not shipping any product, you just need to take the link, right? And once you get the link, you need to promote into social media. So if you are brand new, once again you need to take the 15 days challenge or 3-day challenge, both are same. So first learn and then earn as much as you can, right? So you can see this is my beacon page, these links are I am promoting, right? So again, there is one book, Rich Dad and Poor Dad. So I will give you review of this book on my different on my TikTok videos. What did he said in if you are starting any of business, right? So you need to start any business, you just need to write this book. This book will make your mind, right, help you how you can make your business. It will be set your mind, right? It will show you how it is possible. It will be totally remove your negativity in your mind. I cannot do it, my religion is not allow me, my family is not allowing me to do this business, and I cannot afford this. So every question they will give you answer in this book, right? So I recommend you to read this book, Rich Dad and Poor Dad. So you can take this book, I will drop down the link on this video, Rich Dad and Poor Dad. So this book is very powerful to make your mind to strong beliefs, right? So what did Rich Dad to said his son, and what did said Poor Dad to his son. So you can see, And hopefully you like my video and dropped on a comment in down below and see the description. There is 15 days challenge, 3-day challenge. So if you are serious to start your online business, just take the challenge and start learn about the system. And I'm here, I will guide you to help your business setup, right? So first step is taking the challenge, and after challenge you need to apply the affiliate link, and that's it. And I'm here, watch my YouTube video and DM me on Insta or Facebook and email, so I will reply you as early as possible. Just I will help you how you can make passive income. So and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.